Have you ever wondered how much time you have left with your parents? The shocking truth is, by age 19, you've already spent 95% of the time you'll get with them in your lifetime. In this video, we'll reveal 15 ways to make the most of your remaining time together, from heartwarming gestures to grand acts of generosity. You'll discover surprising methods to transform your parents' lives and strengthen your bond. Don't miss out on these invaluable insights. Subscribe now to ensure you never overlook an opportunity to show your appreciation. 1. The greatest gift of all, your success and happiness. Become self-reliant and pursue your dreams. Focus on building a life that makes your parents proud. Find a loving partner, establish a successful career, and create a stable home. For example, consider the story of Oprah Winfrey, who rose from poverty to become a media mogul, making her mother proud through her accomplishments and philanthropy. 2. The power of connection, staying present in their lives. Make a conscious effort to connect with your parents regularly. Share updates about your life and listen to their stories. Increase the frequency of your visits and calls. Take inspiration from actor Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, who often shares heartwarming moments with his mother on social media, showing how he prioritizes family time despite his busy schedule. 3. Small luxuries, big impact. Monthly subscriptions and gifts. Treat your parents to small monthly luxuries that enhance their daily lives. Subscribe them to streaming services, book clubs, or flower delivery services. For instance, you could set up a monthly wine subscription for your parents to explore new flavors together, or gift them theater tickets to enjoy regular cultural outings. 4. Healing family wounds, the art of reconciliation. Take the initiative to mend broken relationships within your family. Foster understanding and forgiveness between estranged family members. Consider the public reconciliation of Angelina Jolie and her father, Jon Voight, after years of estrangement, showing that it's never too late to heal family bonds. 5. Comfort and convenience, upgrading their living space. Improve your parents' quality of life by upgrading their home infrastructure. Install energy-efficient appliances, enhance their security system, or renovate for better accessibility. For example, you could follow in the footsteps of NBA star Shaquille O'Neal, who bought his mother a fully furnished, state-of-the-art home to ensure her comfort. 6. The gift of health, prioritizing their well-being. Invest in your parents' health by covering important medical procedures they may have been postponing. This could include dental work, corrective surgeries, or preventive treatments. Take inspiration from actor Ashton Kutcher, who donated a kidney to his twin brother, demonstrating the importance of prioritizing family health. 7. Creating unforgettable memories, the ultimate family vacation. Treat your parents to a once-in-a-lifetime vacation experience. Plan a trip to a destination they've always dreamed of visiting, or organize a luxury cruise. For instance, you could arrange a family trip to see the Northern Lights in Iceland, or book a private villa in Tuscany for an extended family gathering. 8. Financial freedom, lifting the burden of debt. If you're in a position to do so, help your parents by paying off their debts. This act can provide them with newfound financial freedom and peace of mind. Consider the example of rapper 21 Savage, who paid off his mother's mortgage, allowing her to enjoy her home without financial stress. 9. Dreams come true, fulfilling their lifelong wishes. Identify and fulfill a long-held dream or wish your parents have always had. This could be a material item, an experience, or an achievement they've always wanted to pursue. For example, you could help your father restore a classic car he's always admired, or send your mother to culinary school if she's passionate about cooking. 10. The joy of generations, nurturing family bonds. If applicable, involve your parents in your children's lives. Foster strong relationships between grandparents and grandchildren. Studies show that involved grandparents can live up to 5 years longer. Take inspiration from the close-knit Kardashian-Jenner family, where Kris Jenner plays an active role in her grandchildren's lives. 11. Preserving their legacy, capturing memories for posterity. Help your parents document their life stories and experiences. Record interviews, create memory books, or assist them in writing their memoirs. For instance, you could follow the example of StoryCorps, an organization that records and preserves personal stories, by creating a similar project for your family. 12. The gift of time, investing in their longevity. Use your resources to help extend your parents' lives through better healthcare and lifestyle improvements. Hire personal trainers, nutritionists, or wellness coaches to enhance their quality of life. Consider the approach of tech billionaire Larry Ellison, who has invested millions in anti-aging research to extend human lifespan. 13. Peace of mind, planning for the future. Help your parents organize their affairs and plan for the future. Assist with estate planning, wills, and ensuring their final wishes are documented. Take inspiration from Warren Buffett's approach to inheritance, where he's been transparent about his plans and has encouraged his children to forge their own paths. 14. A place to call home, providing the perfect nest. If possible, gift your parents their dream home or help them relocate to a more suitable living environment. This could mean moving them closer to family or into a home that better suits their needs and desires. For example, actor Jackie Chan bought his parents a luxurious apartment in Australia, ensuring they had a comfortable place to retire. 15. Golden years, enabling early retirement. If you have the means, help your parents retire early and comfortably. Calculate their living expenses and set up a system to support them financially. Consider the story of NBA player Dwyane Wade, who encouraged his mother to retire early and supported her financially, allowing her to enjoy life without financial worries. By implementing even a few of these ideas, you can significantly enhance your parents' lives and strengthen your family bonds. If you're intrigued about achieving a lifestyle of financial freedom that allows you to support your loved ones in these ways, keep watching our previous videos. They tackle more strategies to get there and reveal surprising insights that await you on your journey to success. Click the link in the description to start your path towards financial independence and family prosperity today.